What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.057, down 6.6 on the day, sitting at market cap of 387 million. 24-hour volume is back down to 388 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, grab up to 30K in bonuses, or Bitget up to 8K in bonuses. These are the two exchanges I do the majority of my trading and investing. You can check out my full-length tutorials in the description. Email me or sign up email, free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Gala Games. So our ending diagonal that we talked about in the previous video and that we've been posting in the Discord is playing out. So we pushed up in a wave 3. Looks like we're going through that ABC in a wave 4. So look for support around 0.052 to 0.050 in a wave 4, and then pushing up in a wave 5. If we were to break the wave 2 low at 0.040, that would invalidate it, and all that means is that the wave 5 is complete and you would pull back in a wave 2. That could take you down to about the 3-cent range for Gala Games. That's the really bullish scenario. And of course, the bearish scenario, I don't want to get too into it, is that we still create a lower low and an ending diagonal wave 5, which is still on the table. But as of right now, I'm focused on the bullish scenario. On the daily time frame, we broke out of a bull flag. We're currently coming back down to retest it. However, as we're pushing up, money continues to flow out, which means all your big boys are taking their profits, selling to everyone that's FOMOing in. We're losing strength. So the pullback will come sooner than later, in my opinion. And everyone that FOMOed in will get wrecked. The best case scenario is you bounce from here and you shoot up from this bull flag, but I don't think it's likely. I think a large pullback in the market is coming shortly, but I could be wrong. I'm just going off support and resistance, weekly, monthly support and resistance indicators. Everything is screaming pullback, so we'll have to see how it plays out. But that really bullish scenario, you hold the support of this bull flag, you see continuation to the upside. All right, gang, so I do think that we could definitely still bounce off this support if we do come down to 0.052 and push up in a wave 5 and a bit of a higher high, grab some liquidity, continue to print the bearish divergences on the daily, and then begin to roll over in a wave 2 pullback. But if we do start to break down, especially if we lose that wave 2 low at 0.0545, then you'll see that continuation down in the wave 2. All right, gang, perfectly healthy. What you want to see is you pump up, you pull back, you pump up, you pull back, and you start walking up the stairs. So that's where I'll be looking to add to my position, is on that wave 2 pullback. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Big shout out to Bitget and Bybit. Make sure to sign up and grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email, free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis signals, which can be very helpful in your trading journey. Crypto news, you can see how the members are doing. They like to post their profits. And my HODL alt plays. For the price of a Netflix subscription, you can sign up through the Patreon link. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.